Hi, I'm Nick Hazy from Hazy Designer Consultancy, a boutique interior design studio helping homeowners to live the lives they deserve and upgrade their homes to beautiful spaces. What I wanted to talk to you about today was exploratory agreements. So part of our design service when we look at your home, it might be that in your mind you want to do just the living room, but also perhaps change the stairs. And while we're there, there's some storage requirements in one of the spare bedrooms, and maybe a boot room would be quite nice. And what if we were to take the wall down in the back of the kitchen to open up the dining room? It can evolve your ideas and your vision for your home. And in that situation, what I would recommend to you is that we do an exploratory agreement whereby we work out what you want costs. And then I will go away for 6 to 8 weeks, get a design together, just sketchy design to start with, to get an idea of what you're looking to do on paper, get the trades to quote on that, so you've got some really good estimates to base your ideas on, and at the end do a presentation to you so that you can make informed choices about your investment and pull back or expand on what we've looked at so that you know it's right for you and your family. And then at that point we would go into the design process and get it all off the ground for you and then see you through to completion. That's effectively what we do, and actually I think not enough people know about this. It's an extremely valuable service. It helps you realise your ambitions and your goals for your home, and interior designers are here to help. It is a luxury service in that not everybody has the extra money to put that on top of their construction, but if you decide to hold off construction to a later date, it is a sensible investment amount so that you can be in control of your budget and not start a project with no end in sight, end up with a building site for a home and not really have any cap on your spend, because every time you do something, more things happen. And part of the value of using us is that we're very experienced and we do this every day. We see a lot of the problems that come up in construction, so we can advise you, we can let you know what may and may not occur, how much to set aside for a contingency. We are here to help. So if you have any questions and you'd like to try an exploratory agreement with us, let us know. The process for us is we do a quick 15-minute strategy call with you to find out what your pain points are, what you're trying to achieve, and to see, if we can help you. Then we have a paid working consultation, because at that meeting we provide immense value to you, giving you all the tools should you not want to go further with us to then have some ideas to move forward on your own. And it gives us a chance to get to know you, to understand your goals, your brief, your budget. When I say budget, that's not how much money you have, that is how much you're wanting to spend on the kitchen, on the floor, on the paint, on the labours and the trades, to try and give you an idea of your likely costs ahead. And then if the project's extensive, then we move to exploratory phase. If not, we move straight to design phase and site measures. I hope that's useful to you. Bit of an insight into the interior design world, but if you'd like to know more, drop us a line. We love getting emails. We also love to chat, so let us know if we can help. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye.